Leaves start falling when the cold wind blows. Soon get covered by the winter snow. The birds start singing when the spring rolls around.
To get people awake?
Flowers blooming through the thawing ground.
Yeah. Okay, so we... Oh, Lord, here we got hooked up with his lodge.
When you love somebody and the love grows cold, the sun starts shining when you let it all go. There's a certain kind of hurting only time can heal. That's a pretty good picture of the way I feel. I'm a little bit hurt,
So this is
but a lot more free. I ain't saying that you never took a toll on me. For what it's worth, I can finally see
loves the kitty cats. Yeah.
that I'm a little bit hurt, but a lot more free. Yeah, I'm a little bit hurt, but a lot more free.
That we could make this area more organized and the comics and that. Sexy man away. Building some shelves. Morning. We asked for a
From this mountain I
place
can
to do
see
the
so
dishes.
far. Rivers running like deep, deep scars,
There's shop.
carrying the
Come and get it, it's
lifeblood
yours,
through
price is
my
right.
veins. Is it crazy that I'm grateful for all the pain? 'Cause I'm a little bit hurt, but a lot more free. I ain't saying that you never took a toll on me. And for what it's worth, I can finally see that I'm a little bit hurt, but a lot more free. Yeah, I'm a little bit hurt, but a lot more free.
Boy at baseball, get him outside, get his hands dirty, take a little time, give a boy a Bible, teach him how to pray, thank the good Lord at the end of the day. Wake him up early, teach him how to work, spend his own money, show him what it's worth, yeah. He's gonna know it all, he'll slip and he'll fall, he'll pick himself up, amen. Yes sir, yes ma'am, show him how to be a man, so one of these days he can. Buy a girl flowers, take her to a show, treat her like a lady, and maybe down the road get a girl a diamond, put it on her hand, watch her and her mama making all the plans, and get a little house on a little piece of land, make a little family, so maybe one of these days he can. Buy a boy a baseball, get him outside, get his hands dirty, take a little time, give a boy a Bible, teach him how to pray, thank the good Lord at the end of the day. Yeah, he's going on it all, he'll slip and he'll fall, he'll pick himself up, amen. Yes sir, yes ma'am, show him how to be a man, so one of these days he can. Buy a boy a baseball, give a child a Bible. watching you walking, he's hearing you talking, he wants to be you someday. He's growing up fast and you can't get it back right now, he just wants to play. So buy a boy a baseball, get him outside, get his hands dirty, take a little time, give a boy a Bible, teach him how to pray, and keep thanking the Lord all day. Buy a boy a baseball, give a child a Bible, buy a boy a baseball.
Going on a first walk. So she said there was 51 inches of rain and 30 to 40 feet of mud.
I'm not forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven calls me his own. He's not just seated upon the throne. I know he's right here inside my home. I've got a treasure here in my heart, and in my weakness it won't depart. I have a Savior who will abide. He's not just with me, he lives inside. Just go ask Daniel if our God will bring you out, and he will testify. He shuts the lion's mouth. Go ask those Hebrew boys if he'll stick by your side. They will identify the fourth man in the fire. They'll tell you, he's in the room. He's in the room. I've got a treasure here in my heart, and in my weakness it won't depart. I have a Savior who will abide. He's not just with me, he lives inside. So go ask Daniel if our God will bring you out, and he will testify. He shuts the lion's mouth. Go ask those Hebrew boys if he'll stick by your side. They will identify the fourth man in the fire. They'll tell you, he's in the room. They'll tell you, he's in the room. Oh, yes he is, yes he is, yeah. They'll tell you, he's in the room. Yes he is. He's in the room. If I search the heavens high, he's there. If I search the earth below, he's there. If I make my bed in hell, he's there. No